In this video, you'll learn how to recover your Trust Wallet recovery phrase. This process is essential for accessing your wallet if you've lost your access information. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Google. Once on the Google homepage, ensure you are connected to the internet, as this process requires online access. Next, search for the Trust Wallet extension in the search bar. Click on the appropriate link that directs you to the Trust Wallet extension page. Upon arriving at the extension page, locate the Add to Browser button to install the extension if you haven't done so already. After you have installed the extension, click on the Trust Wallet icon located in your browser's toolbar. This action will open the Trust Wallet interface where you can manage your wallets. Now look for the settings option within the Trust Wallet interface. Click on it and you will be directed to a new settings menu that allows you to manage various aspects of your wallet. Once in the settings menu, find and select Manage Wallet. This option will lead you to a section where you can view and manage your existing wallets and, recovery phrases. Next, locate the Mnemonic option. Clicking this will take you to the area where your recovery phrase is stored. It's crucial to ensure that you are in the correct section before. After selecting Mnemonic, look for the seed phrase option. Clicking on this will allow you to access your recovery phrase, which is necessary for wallet recovery. Now select the secret phrase option. This action will prompt the system to prepare your recovery phrase for viewing, making it accessible for you. A message will then appear reminding you to keep your secret phrase secure. It is important to understand that anyone who possesses this phrase can access and steal your funds. Next, you will be prompted to enter your password for verification. This step is crucial to ensure that only you can access your recovery phrase. Once you have entered your password, click on the Verify button. The system will confirm your password and allow you to proceed to the next step. Finally, click on the Reveal button to display your secret phrase. Ensure you store this phrase securely and do not share it with anyone, as it is the key to your wallet's contents. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.